Okay, I admit it, I was influenced by a viral series of videos on how to meal prep by freezing your meals into these cubes and mix and matching them. I've only got the one here though, but this is microwave friendly, obviously good for the freezer, BPA free. And it's not the one that a lot of the influencers recommend. This is a cheaper one. I don't believe in paying for brands for quality, but I did choose one that was popular on Amazon and that got a substantial amount of reviews. So we're going to try this out for a little while, and I will come back to you to let you know how it works out. Okay, I'm just packing up my soup here, and I just filled up these little cubes here, and I can already tell that one of these is not going to be enough for me for a full meal. More like a side dish, a tiny soup on the side. Probably I'm going to end up eating 2 at a time. Okay, let's check these out. Oh, a little bit of freezer burn. That's more my fault, I think, my freezer than these containers, though. So now I can shove these into the fridge or the freezer and have them ready to go. To be honest, you guys, this is a little bit difficult to film with the setup I have here. Very easy to get the food out of these trays. That's a good thing about silicone. If it is too frozen, you can let it sit for a couple of seconds or a couple of minutes and easily slides out. Okay, so it is a few weeks later, and I've actually used this product a couple more times and have been enjoying it. Some videos I've seen having an assortment of 1, 2, 3, that makes for a huge meal here. If you have, like, for example, a rice, a soup, and some veg, or some meat, some carbs, and some soup, or something like that. Anyway, at least 2 cubes per meal, basically. But in any case, this, I find the problem with silicone in general is that oils can stick to this over time. I don't have a dishwasher actually, so I have to do this by hand. And smells and oils do stick to it, so I don't think this is going to last forever. But I'm enjoying it. So there you go.